Hello my dear friends. Today we have a lesson on the history of quadrocopters. For the first time they talked about quadrocopters back in 1922. In that year, a quadrocopter flew up in Detroit, and ours, in a simple four-propeller helicopter, the author of which was Georgy Aleksandrovich Botezat. Naturally, he's in a series. I did not go because the device was far ahead of its time. It was so technologically sophisticated that mechanical engineering was not ready for its production, although the device completed about 100 flights. In the 50s, work was underway to create quadrocopters, but things didn't go beyond experimental prototypes. Already then they were positioned as unmanned aerial vehicles, and in the 21st century multicopters became very popular due to simplicity in the construction of adjustment, the possibility of serial production of simple and inexpensive assemblies for assembly, as well as the appearance of microcontrollers' simplified management. This made them accessible to everyone. In January 2013, a landmark event took place in the world of quadrocopters. DJI, which now holds over 70% market, released its famous Phantom worth $500, which was very popular. Now is the fourth generation. In the same year, a human-powered quadrocopter made a record, lasting 50 seconds in the air. His weight is 32 kilograms, diameter of 32 meters and a capacity of 70 horsepower. Do people give out so much? Thanks to students and graduate students of Berlin University for such a wonderful apparatus. Let's move in our time. In March 2016, the company launches a new Phantom 4 model for the market. Sonar, he learned to determine not only the height but also the distance to objects in front or side of himself. Built on this, the most important fourth generation chips, tracking mode and the ability to independently go to a specified point avoiding obstacles. DJI was in the top 10 drones. In the fall of 2016, the quadrocopter enters the market from the leaders in the production of action cameras, a compact folding quadrocopter with removable 3-axis stabilizer and mounts for action cameras. The novelty was called Karma. If we talk about the possibilities drone, then it is capable of speeds up to 56 kilometers per hour, away from the pilot at a distance of 1 kilometer and climb to a height of up to 4.5 kilometers. It can fly without problems at a wind speed of up to 10 meters per second. A week after GoPro, DJI releases Mavic, competitor Karma, the main feature. This copter is compact due to the folding case, which allows fit the device not only in a backpack but even in a small handbag. It must be added that the Mavic is equipped in folding durable screws that no longer need to be removed, which further increases portability and convenience. He can even fit in a large enough pocket. Nowadays, the quadrocopter began to be used not only for entertainment purposes but also for rescue operations, meteorology, sports and other purposes. Many already want to fly it to work and someone did it, but with you. Balin Techno Channel. All good, Intel, bye.